Hey everyone, the Geekom A6 is a little computer with a lot of power in a small package. With dimensions of only 11 centimeters on each side and 3.7 centimeters in height, it weighs less than a kilogram and is quite portable. Despite its compact size, it has a good number of interfaces, such as dual HDMI 2.0 outputs, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, an SD card slot, and USB Type-A and Type-C ports, which enable multi-screen configurations. The Ryzen 7680H processor and Radeon 680M integrated GPU power the A6's internal components. Because of this combination, it is very competent at handling both light gaming and office duties. Its total speed and efficiency are additionally enhanced with a 2 terabytes NVMe SSD and 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. Future expansion options are limited by the absence of a second M.2 slot, even if there is a SATA slot available for more storage. The tiny PC is running Windows 11 Professional. However, it might be necessary to link a personal Microsoft account in order to activate it. It takes about 20 seconds to boot up, and overall use is responsive and seamless. 4K playback is handled with ease, and streaming performance is superb. With the Radeon 680M GPU, video decoding is made efficient, and 4K YouTube streaming requires very little CPU power. Although 8K video can strain the GPU to its breaking point, even locally stored high bitrate 4K and 8K files play back well. With read and write rates of 4,000 and 3,100 megabytes per second, respectively, storage speeds are outstanding and substantially faster than standard hard drives for file transfers and application load times. The Geekom A6 performs admirably in comparison to comparable priced Intel-based small PCs. The AMD 6800H's integrated GPU performs far better than Intel's iGPUs, making it a superior option for graphics-intensive workloads, even though Intel options like the 12900H might have marginally higher CPU performance. Real-world performance-wise, the A6 easily manages productivity programs. Even with big data sets, office programs like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel function well. The Radeon 680M can run many contemporary games at lower settings, making the device ideal for light gaming as well. Although it won't take the place of a dedicated gaming setup, it works well for cloud or casual gaming. So, Geekom A6 is a well-rounded little PC that provides outstanding value. It is a good option for consumers searching for little yet functional desktop replacement because of its potent Ryzen 7, quick DDR5 memory, fast NVMe drive. Its performance, storage speed make it a great choice for work and pleasure, despite the little inconvenience of not having second M.2 slot. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.